Apple's long-anticipated entry-level iPhone indicate to launch. It seems the launch of the long-rumored successor to 2016's iPhone SE might come sooner than expected. iPhone 9 might come with a different name according to the latest rumors. Claims that the official marketing name for the new device will simply be iPhone SE, with Apple referencing it as the 2020 version. The box for the Urban Armor Gear protective case clearly states it's designed for the new iPhone 4.7 inches, and we can see it features a similarly sized camera cutout as other iPhone 7 and 8 cases. Besides, a screen protector listed on Apple's official online store also confirms the iPhone SE. The actual protector is also said to fit iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 models as well, which confirms the new device will sport the same 4.7-inch display. Another new detail from the report is that the new iPhone SE will come with up to 256GB storage. Also, we learned the new budget iPhone will launch in black, white, and red colors. We confirmed the 5 official Apple cases for the device, which include black and white silicone cases alongside red, black, and midnight blue leather options. Apple introduced its latest iPad Pros and MacBook Air last week, and given that the iPhone 9 is not a flagship, it could very well see a similar low-key press release-only launch. The market welcomes cheaper iPhones as evidenced by the strong demand for the iPhone 11 and iPhone XR before it, but it's unclear if people will be happy with the decidedly dated iPhone 8 design. A new report also suggests the company is also working on a Plus variant of the phone with a 5.5 inches screen, likely to be called iPhone 9 Plus or SE Plus. It is said to run the 2019 chipset A13 Bionic, matching the current iPhone 11 lineup. The report also confirms the new iPhone SE will come with A13 Bionic chipset, 3GB RAM, 64 or 128GB storage, and a single rear camera. The base price for the smaller 4.7-inch model is expected to be $400. According to recent speculation, the new iPhone SE is supposed to launch on April 15. However, their arrival has been delayed indefinitely as the supply chain suffers from the COVID-19 outbreak.